Liquid Web is a popular web hosting and website software that promises high performance, security, and a range of features designed for businesses. But before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know about it, especially when comparing it to other services on the market. First, Liquid Web stands out for its excellent customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat, phone support, and a dedicated account manager for their higher tier plans. Unlike some competitors, they prioritize personal customer service, which can be a game changer for businesses that rely on fast resolutions. Next, their hosting plans are optimized for scalability. Whether you're starting small or need to handle large amounts of traffic, Liquid Web's infrastructure is built to grow with you. However, it's not the most affordable option if you're a startup with a tight budget, as their pricing tends to be higher than shared hosting services like Bluehost or HostGator. The third thing you should consider is their speed and performance. Liquid Web offers a high-performance hosting environment with solid-state drives, SSDs, free content delivery network, CDN, and enterprise-grade hardware. This means faster load times for your website, especially compared to some other providers who use older technology. It's ideal for e-commerce stores or businesses that need to deliver a seamless experience to users. The fourth thing to note is their security features. Liquid Web includes automated backups, SSL certificates, and advanced DDoS protection with all their plans. While many competitors charge extra for some of these features, Liquid Web bundles them into their pricing, making it a strong contender for businesses that prioritize security. Next, Liquid Web offers a range of hosting types, including VPS, dedicated, cloud, and WordPress hosting. This variety makes it versatile, but it may be overwhelming if you don't know which type of hosting you need. It's important to do your research to make sure you're selecting the right plan for your specific needs. The sixth point is the ease of use. While Liquid Web's dashboard is user-friendly, it's not quite as intuitive as some other platforms like SiteGround or Wix, which have simpler, more beginner-friendly interfaces. However, if you're comfortable with web hosting management, you'll find that Liquid Web gives you greater control. Another thing to consider is their uptime reliability. Liquid Web offers a 100% uptime guarantee, which is pretty impressive. This is something that can be a deal breaker for businesses that can't afford downtime. However, some competitors like A2 Hosting also boast similar guarantees, so it's worth comparing reviews before making a decision. Next thing, pricing. Liquid Web is not the cheapest option out there. While they do offer premium services, the cost can quickly add up as you scale. For smaller businesses or those just starting out, Liquid Web might not be the most budget-friendly solution, especially when compared to hosts like DreamHost or Hostinger. The eighth thing to consider is their free migration service. Liquid Web provides a free website migration if you're switching from another host, which is a great perk, especially if you're migrating from a more complex hosting setup. Some providers charge extra for migrations, so this can save you both time and money. Next, Liquid Web offers a robust suite of tools for developers, including staging environments, root access, and integration with platforms like Git. If you're a developer or have a technical team, these tools will be incredibly useful. However, if you're not familiar with coding or development tools, it might be overkill compared to other simpler solutions. The 10th thing to know is their managed WordPress hosting. Liquid Web has a great WordPress hosting solution with features like automatic updates, free migrations, and enhanced security. While there are other WordPress-focused hosts like WP Engine or Kinsta, Liquid Web's managed WordPress service is a strong contender, offering similar performance and security at a slightly lower cost. Another consideration is that Liquid Web is a great option for growing businesses and larger enterprises, but it's not necessarily the best fit for individuals or small personal websites. It's tailored more toward businesses that need high-end performance and support, which means it could be more than you need if you're just creating a personal blog or portfolio site. The 12th thing to keep in mind is their reliability. While most users report a high level of satisfaction, there are some occasional complaints about slow customer support response times during peak periods.